Hi and warm welcome to Yoffix tutorial. Today I will show you how you can set up your account and start using Yoffix as a user. So let's start with customizing your profile. We strongly recommend to upload your picture so that all other colleagues could easily find you on the floor plan in the tool. So you could upload your picture here. You could also select the right notification channel for you or select the right language. You could also decide with whom in the company your attendance data should be shared. Okay, after that is done, let's go to Spaces. Spaces is our space screen here. You could switch between floors or different offices. And we recommend you to select your favorite seat in the office. This seat will be preferably booked for you as you make a booking or suggested to you. So for me, that's where you have to click this yellow star, and then the preferred seat, favorite seat will be set for you in the system. I've done it already before, so you could see it here. Now, if we go now to calendar, that's where you can schedule your week and you could coordinate, sync your office days with your colleagues. And for that, you could filter your colleagues by teams. For example, here's Yoffix core team. Or you could also mark some colleagues from different teams as your favorite ones, and then they'll be shown always at the top. And that's what you could do is with this yellow star, you could mark colleagues as favorite so that you will see them on the top of the list and it will be easy for you to coordinate your week with them. Now, let's start using Yoffix. So, for example, I would like to schedule this the next week. I see some of my colleagues already done their bookings. So, as I plan another day in the office, I would like to come as there are most of my teammates and my favorite colleagues. That will be Friday. So, I click here on Add, and I'll be adding a new day in the office. I could add a parking slot to that. I could make it repeatable if I want, but I don't need it now. If needed, I could select the parking slot also manually or just let the system do it for me. And now I could just click save and this booking will be recorded in the system. So I'm coming for full day on Friday. That is my working location and workplace A5. And I also booked a parking slot in the first floor. So what I could also do as a team lead, I could also create a team event. That's where I invite multiple people to join me in the office. And so you could enter the title of the office day, description. You could also make it a repeatable event if needed, and you could invite colleagues to join you in the office. And now with clicking save, information will be recorded, and your colleagues, employees whom you invited to the office will also get a notification, and desk is reserved for them in the office. So that's how easily you could coordinate with your colleagues. You can make bookings. You could also book for the same day. You could also make a booking. For example, you could mark that in the evening you will not be available for colleagues. So you can also combine multiple bookings per day and do it really by half an hour. Okay, the next step and the next way how you could work with Yoffix is to look into our space screen. And space screen is overview of an office on one specific day. Again, you could switch here between offices or between spaces, floors in the office. You see all available desks, you see meeting rooms. You could also apply filters. So if you're looking for desks with two monitors, you just click on here on text and you'll see only desks with multiple monitors or several monitors and dock friendly. So now we have desks which apply to this criteria and you could easily book it. Again, you could select for how long you book it. And book accordingly. Here you have also information about the situation in the office, how office is utilized, how many colleagues are in this office on specific day. You can also switch between offices. You could look for employees, so you could find a person in the office. And That's how easy it is to manage it. You could also book a meeting room also straight away from here, or make it a private meeting where no one else will be able to see the title or participants of the meeting. You could also invite colleagues to this meeting. All that is easily done, and you can just confirm it. Right. Another option to book rooms is to go to rooms, and this way you can see the equipment or description of meeting rooms, and this way you can also create meetings. You can also create online meetings, so to add online link to the meeting, and also invite colleagues. And here you'll see who from colleagues will be in the office on that specific day. And surely it will be automatically synchronized with your calendar. For that, your admin should enable synchronization either with Google Calendar or with Outlook. So that's how easy to work with Yoffix as a user. In Calendar, you just plan your week, you add different bookings, you coordinate with your colleagues, and find the best way to come to the office. In Spaces, you have full overview about one particular space. You can also book any assets here, or you could find your colleagues. And in Rooms, you have clear overview for specific hours, which rooms on which floors are available, and you could also book rooms and invite colleagues to join you for a meeting also here. Thank you. Enjoy working with Yoffix. Bye.